Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this fudgy, delicious skillet brownie, which is so simple and yummy. So first of all, you start off by adding some vegetable oil into your bowl and adding brown sugar. This will create a very nice caramelized flavor to your brownie. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use caster sugar or mix caster sugar with a bit of molasses. Then you're going to mix the oil and the brown sugar together. All the ingredients will be linked in the description as always. To the oil and sugar, add in your flour, cocoa powder, which is made for baking, not your hot chocolate cocoa powder. There's a difference because with the baking one is richer. Then you're going to add in your raisin agents, baking powder, and baking soda. Then you're going to add in the milk and a splash of vanilla. Give everything a very good mix till smooth. There should be no lumps. Like this. Once everything is well combined, pour into a skillet pan and bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 190 degrees. Baking will depend on your oven. However, once baked, top with powdered sugar, syrup, ice cream, whatever you like and enjoy. See you guys in the next one. Bye.